It's currently 8:45 p.m. and there is a guinea stuck between the wall and the wood. And we've been trying for 30 minutes now with different techniques to get him out. So we decided to videotape it so it would look funny and for content. So, buckle up. The first technique we're using is lassoing. Mom, it's not working. Oh my gosh. We're gonna try the broom now because I'm getting bored of that. Mission accomplished after 45 minutes and getting disgusting. We got him. High five.